Welcome to my channel. DIY home improvement videos with humor. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please subscribe and share. Here's a brief preview of my videos.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
Good morning. Ooh, it's very hot.
No, I'm just getting warmed up.
Okay, so now all I can say is
I don't know.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
So I have two pieces that I couldn't quite figure out, so I made a template out of this piece of cardboard. So I'll take this, trace this onto the tile, and then cut it. Might not be exactly the size I need, but it'll probably be a little bit bigger, which is always better, because you can always take away from tile, but you can't add to tile.
a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Okay, I have a confession. My confession is that I really suck at caulking. So what I do is I put blue tape. Sometimes I put blue tape on both sides, and sometimes I just put it on one side. But if you look, I used the blue tape here, and we've got some pretty good lines. So once I finish caulking the baseboard, then I'm going to put, I may put the door on, or I may put the toilet in, but those are really the two of the last three things I got to do. And then what I'll do is, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sealer down on the grout lines, just so that's what's what's recommended by the manufacturer of the sealer. So that's what I'm going to do. There's some little bit of touch-up paint left to do, but the homeowner can definitely do that. And then we'll go from there. Oh, what do you call that thing? Anyway, a threshold. So I got to put a connector between the tile and the carpet. Get together, Jug.
Hello, YouTubers. Last day on this particular project. I've only got two things left to do. One is to put the toilet back. And I'm going to actually film that because there are probably a few people that have never replaced a toilet and it may be helpful. Again, I'm not giving you directions. I am just merely here for entertainment, and you may be able to pick up a few pointers. So, because I'm not an expert in anything. So I'll start recording that. And then the other thing is to do the last seal on the grout. And that's, I've already got film of that, or the footage of that, so you don't have to worry about that. But let's do it. We're going to count this project as done. D-U-N. Toilet's back. Baseboard's put back. Caulked. We've got a second coat on the grout lines. Doors back on. Beautiful threshold. We're done. Hey, thank you for watching. I always appreciate it immensely. If you can, please subscribe, like, and share it with somebody. Until the next time, thank you and God bless.